Okay guys, in today's video, I'm gonna sell my luxury handbags, so let's do it. Let me know, by the way, if in the next videos you want the USD price first and then the Euro price, or if Euro is fine for you. Let me know in the comment, because I think I have mostly USA viewers on this YouTube English YouTube channel. So if you want the USD price first on the screen, or that I'm like giving you verbally like the US price, let me know. Anyway, let's go. So excited. Don't hesitate to subscribe also to my channel if you like luxury handbags. I had this baby, I had the box, I had the dust bag, and you're gonna be amazed. I love the bag. This is one of my favorite bag from Louis Vuitton. I do not have it yet personally, because I do sell through my website bamluxurystore.com. I ship worldwide. This is my small business. We are still a small business. We are French, but living in Spain right now, but we ship worldwide. Okay. I'm so excited. And we plan to go probably to New York or Boston. We don't know really yet to see if there's something for us in the US. So let us know if it's a good idea or not. But yeah, also we want to expand a little bit more in the US, having more sale on the US. So if you have some advice, some few things that is different on the US website, that something that bothers you from our website compared to the US ones, let me know in the comment. It would help us so much. Okay, so I have this beautiful Montagne Bébé. Oh, I have a box, dust bag, everything for this one. Gorgeous. This is a monogram handbag, monogram canvas and leather. The top handles leather is very flexible, I would say, but it's very good. Like the 4 little fits are very nice, like little scratches on them, but otherwise good. Corners actually are very good, perfect. Nothing to say on the outside. Like the leather is pretty tan, like perfectly like everywhere, so it's cool. Inside of, I do have like the little booklet to explain how to care for the bag and etc. Inside is gorgeous. You have multiple pockets. It's beautiful. I do love it. My condition is very good on this one. I do have the serial number here, and this is a just checking. This is a 2018 bag. So this is gorgeous. And the price right now in euro, I'm gonna give you just that euro price now. It's 1,750 euro. This bag actually is not available on the website anymore. I have the exact same one, but it will probably be on the website for around 2,100, 2,500, something like this. Let me know, what do you think about this bag, if you like it or not. Personally, this is one of my favorite one ever. I wish I can buy something similar one day. For now, I cannot afford yet, but I would dream to have similar one day. But yeah, also on the website, everything is explained. I will link everything below in description. You have photos and everything. We ship with UPS, mostly for outside of Europe. Inside Europe, we ship with InPost, Mondial Relais, UPS, DHL, and so on. Okay, let's go for something else that I want to show you, actually, that is gorgeous. I know, this is another couple, yes, because you love them so freaking much. This one is which size? I believe it's 35, yes. This is a 35, Speedy Louis Vuitton 35, monogram canvas, vintage one, we love it. Okay, condition I would say is good, like it was used, so obviously it's not brand new. Corners here a little bit rubbed. This is not a brand new one, it was well used, but still gorgeous. Leather is tanned, but really well. You have some little stain on the top handles, but that's fine. Leather parts here is missing. You can replace it. Either you let it like this, either you replace it in store, and it's, I believe, 25 euro in Europe. In the US, I don't know. So if you change it already in the US, you know the price, let us know in the comment. Give us a price for changing this. Okay, also inside is very good, and the year of the bag is a 94 bag, 1994, which is insane. Price is 440 euro, available on the website as per usual. Okay, stay until the end of the video because I have such a bag for you, like So excited. You all wanted this bag, so stay until the end. Just drinking some coffee first, because I don't know if you can see, but my face, I'm so tired. My back is blocked. Here too, my neck is blocked, everything. I'm so tired. Anyway, so I have this. I have the box. This is an Hermès item. And look at this. This is an Hermès bain pouch. So this is a pouch for summer. I do have an envelope, like it's empty, but still. Yeah. So this is an Hermès bain pouch, never used. This is kind of a dark blue, violet one. Little leather parts here, silver hardware. Very good condition. Also inside is perfect. This is perfect for summer to bring all your stuff like cream, sunnies and everything to put in your bag. This is a very useful one. It's, I believe, almost brand new, and it's 250 euro, which is an amazing price for this type of thing. Okay, so next items. As you can see, I changed my outfit and I'm a little bit more time because I'm filming a little bit further, but I wanted to add these in the job of today. So here it is. I have 3 other items that I'm adding currently to the job. So the first one is here. I do have the box. I also do have the invoice. I have everything. This is clearly insane. This is an item that I love. I'm just gonna open it. I'm not gonna wait any longer. So I do have the box. I do have the invoice and I do have a dust bag, so which is pretty cool. You're never guessing where the item comes from, the bag comes from. It's from Greece. It's insane, actually. I received it from the client herself. I do also have the entropy certificate on this little baby. So let's open this. Woo, look at this. We have here a Louis Vuitton Neo Noe bag, monogram canvas in red leather. I love it. This is one of the bags that I love the most. It's clearly my first luxury handbags is actually like the Noe in red epi leather. So of course this one, the new version, I love it. So in the new version, you have the double strap actually. You can remove it if you want. You can change the strap if you prefer. You can switch here. And the inside also looks gorgeous. You have like large pocket and a little zipper pocket here. So it's actually such a practical bag. Like the condition of this little precious baby is actually very good. I have nothing to say clearly because condition is insane. I just love the bag. This is such a beautiful bag. I would say it's a little bit damaged here on the size of here, but obviously because it was a little bit used. Concerning the price now, price for this one is 1,390 euro. This one is available. Next online now, here it is. I have a little gift from men. Yes, I know. So for your husband, or if you're a man and you're watching my video, well, this one is for you. So this is a Tiger watch. I do have the box for this one. So excited. And this watch comes from Japan. My client lives in Japan and bought the watch in Japan. So I have everything. I have the papers from Japan. I have everything. Well, you have tradition and so on, of course. I'm in love. So we do have authenticity card, and yeah, it's like from Japan, of course. I love it. I love it. You have also a different maillon, like if you need to add more. We have a Carrera watch, like the date one, so because you had the date and the day, so it's beautiful. This one is worth 3,400 euro in store. Actually, we have such a good price for this one. This is a 41 millimeters diameter. Condition, I would say, is good, very good. You have, it was not that used actually. You have a little scratch on the part of the front, and then the steel bracelet, of course, has some little scratches. It was a little bit used, but otherwise it's beautiful. It's gorgeous. I love on the other side how it looks like. It's an automatic watch, so it's actually very good. It's a beautiful one. Like, and our price is so freaking good. Price is 1,390 euro. It is way lower. It's more than 50% off retail price. This is good. And like the watch is like silver steel and blue inside. Beautiful. So even even for a woman, actually, it could fit for a woman. If you have like a big waist, it can actually fit like completely. If you're like 41, it's all good. But yeah, otherwise this is a very good watch. We have a full set for this one. I just don't have the invoice, but I have the card, I have everything, and of course we guarantee authenticity. So I'm super happy. This is the first watch we have for men, so if you want it, let us know. It will be on the website directly, so you can buy. I will link again here the website, bamluxurystore.com. Next one and last one that I wanted to add to the drop in the last minutes that came also from a client. It's an Hermès. Yes, yes, yes. Ta-da! So happy. I do have the dust bag, as you can see. You were asking me quite a lot for the exact same one, and I found it for you. Ta-da! So we have an airbag PM size. This is so freaking cute. And I had the dust bag, and I had the other pouch. So you can change actually like the pouches. You can remove the black one and add the beige one. So it's actually super, super cute. I love it. This is such a cute, cute little bag. I love it more and more. At first, I didn't love this bag. And the more I see it, the more I understand the vibe around it because it's so practical. It's a mix between a Kelly and a Birkin. And it's so nice to wear because you can damage a bag and you can like clean it so easily. It's like super well imagined. So you have the strap here. We had padlock, keys. Concerning the condition of the bag, I would say it's good, not amazing. It's good. It was used. Hardware like is used. The pouch here has little stains, but you can clean it like very good. Like you can clean the pouch. It's like fabric, so you can clean it. And you can remove the pouch, put it on the washing machine, or like clean it by hand. It's good. Inside is very good. And the other pouch also is great. You have like little stains, but nothing that big. And you can also clean it like with some soap and water. Okay, now concerning the price of this baby, we have a price of 1,711 euro. So useful for a man, for women. We love it. Let's continue with another bag. Then it has been a long time since I did not put my hands on it. This is a Céline Courrièges classic bag. I love it. This is a box, kind of a box leather. It has scratches. Obviously, this is vintage. Color is Bordeaux. I love it. You have here the hardware that is like tarnishing a bit. Like originally, I would say gold, but now, you know, it was in between like silver gold. I love it. Condition is used, I would say, like used and good. Corners are a bit rubbed, obviously. The strap is very good. You can, like, it's adjustable, so it's so nice. To open the bag now, so you just open on this side, and then up you open here. This is very clever. Anyway, inside is kind of a yellow mustard inside, as per the rest, but you have so many different pockets. You have some colors on the sides of the bag. You'll be able to see on the photos some stain on the inside because it's a vintage, but otherwise, this is a bag. And the price is 510 euro. This is a very good price for this one, so, you know. Okay, another item that I have, and this is here. This is an happy Hermès bracelet, color gold. This is beautiful. This one is kind of vintage. This is not a brand new one. This is not the most recent I have. And I think it's a triple toe. Yeah, even more. Well, I have a small wrist. It's a triple toe normally for normal wrists. But if you have a small wrist like me, it's a 4-1. Silver hardware. Since it's like very old, we do not see the inscription inside, but we have the Hermès Paris here. It's gorgeous, and the price is 199 euro for this one. I love it. This is a very beautiful color. Everything is available on the website. You can go and check it. No. Oh, yeah. This is the first time I had this one. First time I released this. This is a sac plat. This one is a damier ébène. First time ever I had this one. Usually we have a monograms one, so I'm so freaking excited. This one is a recent one. The shape is amazing. You have leather, monogram canvas. This is a good mix. Condition is so good on this one, like very good condition. Corners are rubbed, obviously it was used a little bit, but otherwise insane. Inside is a suede red leather, beautiful condition as well. And I'm gonna try to have a look on their serial number. I don't know where it's yeah, it's here, and I'm gonna give you the year of the bag. So it's a 2006, yeah, 2006. So it's not that recent, but it's still like, it's not vintage, like it's still recent for me. And the price for this one is 610 euro. Even the hardware is very good, like, I don't know, the price is so well. It's insane. Okay, another one, and then stay until the end because I have a beautiful bag to show you. Like, they're all beautiful, but the last one is precious. Okay, now we have a Celine, kind of a Boston one, I would say. You love this type of bag. This is canvas and leather. Leather is tanned, the corners are a little bit rubbed. You have first pocket here with leather, and inside here too with some little stain, but nothing that much. I would say you have a little odor on this one, but so little and tiny. And the price is 230 euro. Come on, this is clearly nothing. Hardware is a little bit used. And now, oh my goodness, the best one for the end, in my opinion. Well, the first one also was one of the best. I don't know, I love them both. Which one do you prefer, like the Montaigne or the Lady Dior? Let me know. This one is a large size. This is a vintage, beautiful black leather. Hardware is a bit used. Corners are a bit used, but very little. On the bottom of the bag, you have a 5 little feet. Bit used also, some scratches, but you know, it's all good. Handles are great. It's good. Inside of this one is so good. We do not have serial number on this one because it was before 97 bag. The Lady Dior with no serial number means it was produced before 97 because simply they decided to produce with serial number after 97 because like Lady Dior, the bag is so much that they decided to like start putting serial number inside the bags. But yeah, this is a beautiful bag. Beautiful baby, and the price is 1,500 euro for this amazing bag. So if you want to shop anything, go on the website badluxurystyle.com. I ship worldwide. We are a small business. We are French. I say we because I do this with my fiancé Vincent. We live in Spain right now, so we ship from Spain, but we ship worldwide. Basically, you can ask us anything that you want. Let us know in the comment what we can do better. Actually, if you have ideas for us or anything, we are always super happy to hear if we can increase something, better something. We are evolving days by day, so you know. Thank you so much for your time on this video. Thank you so much for watching this video every single week with us. Happy Backdrop Day, and I'll see you on the website. Bisous.